Today we are going to make one of the most trickiest letter which appears simple but it is actually not. This is my personal observation while training the students. This is the alphabet wherein most of the children fail to understand what is the exact formation. Look at this word. This might appear normal to you, but in general when you look at the whole page, it will not give a beautiful look. This is because these lines are going slant as per cursive. L, you will observe it is taking a curved look. And this is where most of the students make mistake in spite of many training. Start with a slant line starting from the baseline blue, go up till the red line, ensure that you are not exceeding the red line, okay? Here you will take a curve, come down parallelly, okay? And when you reach the 3/4 part, let me show it to you, or only 1/4 part is left in the base. You have covered so much part, okay? So at this point, you should take the turn. I'll show you one again. It has to be a very steep turn wherein you're not even able to make out the turn, okay? So the turn has to start little above here. Okay. Now have a look that all four of them look same, identical, with same equal distance between them. One I'm making in this way wherein the loop is very fat. It is not giving a good look. Moreover, fatter alphabets don't give a good look. You can make out the difference here. This looks much better than this one. Okay, so try to make thin loops. Okay, some students or some adults don't make the loop at all and just make L like this. So try to avoid this as well. Now keep practicing till the time you achieve four of them looking alike. Let me know in comments whether you found the video useful enough. And if you liked the explanation, do let us know what more topics are you looking for so that we can deliver it to you. That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!